There is a number, a specific exact number, that the moment you cross it, your entire financial life begins to change. Not because of luck, not because of a raise, not because anything on the outside changed, but because of what happens on the inside. Inside your money, once it crosses this threshold, that number is $20,000. And today I am going to show you exactly what happens after you hit it, and how to get there faster than you think. Most people will never be told this. They will spend their entire lives working hard, earning decent money, and still feel like they are running on a treadmill that never moves forward. This video is the reason why, and the way out. Stay with me till the end of this video, and your life won't remain the same. What actually happens after $20,000? Here is what nobody shows you about compound interest. In the beginning, it feels like nothing is happening. You invest $50, $100, month after month, and the growth feels so slow it almost feels pointless. This is where most people quit. And it is the most expensive mistake in personal finance. Because what they do not see, what nobody tells them, is that compound interest does not grow in a straight line. It grows like a snowball rolling down a hill. Slow and small at the top, then suddenly, unstoppable. $20,000. At 10% average annual return, $20,000 generates $2,000. In a single year without you doing anything. That is $166 a month appearing in your account while you sleep. This is the point where your money starts working harder than most people's. Part-time jobs. Before $20,000, you are pushing the snowball. After $20,000, the snowball starts pushing itself. That is the $20,000 rule. And once you feel it, once you watch your money grow without you touching it, everything changes. Your relationship with money changes. Your urgency to build changes. Your entire financial identity changes. Your financial life, before and after this number. Let me paint you two pictures. Before $20,000. Every emergency destroys your progress. You feel like you are starting over constantly. Money anxiety follows you everywhere. One bad month wipes out months of saving. You are fully dependent on your paycheck. Wealth feels like it is for other people. After $20,000. Emergencies are handled without panic. Your money grows even when life gets hard. Financial confidence replaces anxiety. Bad months no longer destroy your future. Your money generates income on its own. Wealth becomes a real, visible destination. The difference between these two lives is not talent. It is not a six-figure salary. It is one number, one milestone, $20,000. And the beautiful thing? Every single person watching this video right now is capable of getting there. The question is not whether you can. The question is how fast. The obstacle. Why most people never reach this number. So if $20,000 changes everything, why do so few people ever get there? 3 reasons. And I want you to be honest with yourself as I go through them. Reason 1. They spend every raise before it can become savings. Income goes up. Lifestyle goes up. The gap between earning and saving stays exactly the same. This is lifestyle inflation, and it is the silent killer of first-time wealth builders. Reason 2. They save without investing. Money sitting in a regular savings account earning 0.5% interest is not building toward $20,000 in any meaningful way. It is slowly being eaten by inflation. Saving is the first step. Investing is what actually gets you to the number. Reason 3. And this one is the hardest to hear. They quit during the slow part. The first $20,000 is the hardest money you will ever build because the results feel invisible. Right up until the moment they feel unstoppable. The people who cross the threshold are not the ones who had more money to start. They are the ones who refused to stop during the part that felt pointless. The blueprint. How to hit $20,000 fast. The 5 fastest ways to reach the number. So let us talk about how to get there. And how to get there fast. 1. Automate before you see it. The moment your paycheck hits, a fixed amount moves automatically into your investment account. Before you spend a single dollar. Before temptation has a chance. You cannot spend what you never see. 2. Invest. Do not just save. Put your money into an index fund, not a savings account. At 10% average annual return, $500 a month gets you to $20,000 in just over 3 years, while your money grows along the way. A savings account at 0.5% just gets you there slower with nothing to show for it. 3. Freeze your lifestyle for 12 months. 1 year. Do not upgrade anything. No new car. No bigger apartment. Every raise, every bonus, every extra dollar goes straight toward the number. 1 year of discipline buys you decades of freedom. 4. Create one extra income stream. Even an extra $200 a month from a side skill, freelance work, or selling something and used accelerates your timeline dramatically. 200 a month added to your investments get you $20,000 months faster. 5. Track the number weekly. Watch it grow. Literally open your investment app every week and watch the number move. This is not obsessing, this is motivation. The week you see your balance cross $5,000, then $10,000, your commitment doubles. What gets watched gets built. The day everything feels different. I want you to imagine the morning you open your investment app and the number reads $20,000. Something shifts in that moment that is very hard to describe until you feel it. It is not just the money. It is the proof, the undeniable. Sitting right there in your account proofs that you did it. That the person who said they were going to build wealth actually did. And the most powerful thing about that moment is what comes next. Because once you cross $20,000, you do not stop. You cannot stop. Because now you have seen what you are capable of. $20,000 is not the destination. It is the proof of concept. The moment you know, beyond any doubt, that wealth is not for other people. It is for you. Start the clock today. Your $20,000 is waiting. If this video gave you even one shift in how you see your money, do one thing right now. Subscribe to Smart Money Clan. Every single week, we break down the money rules, wealth strategies, and financial truths that school never taught us in a way that works. For real people with real lives and real incomes. Because every journey to $20,000 starts somewhere. And this community will cheer you every step of the way. Smart Money Clan. See you in the next one.